Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to continue to talk about the bear market, bull market, where the price could go, what I see as a possibility and what I think it will happen and when things will happen. Also, we're going to check on Elrond, where the price could go if Bitcoin goes down to the low 30Ks, which I don't think will happen, but it is in the cards, obviously. Also, I'm going to show you on Next Earth which type of land was the most profitable for me, and at the end of the video I'm gonna give you a new NFT project which will capture the memories of the cryptocurrencies of Bitcoin. I'm gonna talk about that at the end of the video, so make sure that you stay till the end, and also all the links in the description if you want to get in contact with me, Twitter, Discord, everything you can find there. And feel free to send me comments, messages. Also, if you would subscribe, that would be highly appreciated, because that's how we can grow and go forward in this community or industry, let's say. So let's continue and check first the Bitcoin price. We are at the 42,200s, and yes, we dipped down to the 41,000. I think the 4041 is a pretty strong support, as you can see on the volume traded here. So if we go down, if we go lower, I think the bottom will be the 30,000, but we do have a very big space to fill here. I don't think it will happen. I do think that the 40,000 will turn us around, or if not the 40, maybe the 37, 38. That's what I think will be cheap enough for the big buyers to buy in. Because when the bear market starts, well, I discussed about this a lot of times, and the bear market starts when an asset is too expensive for people to buy, and it's expensive enough for the other people to sell. So when there will be created a lot of supply with no demand, that's when the bear market kicks in, and that's when everything goes down. Now, I don't think that we are in that situation just yet. And the simple fact is that we have a lot of whales, we have a lot of big institutional investors, and we can't really see the big buys. Yes, there are transactions going under the counter, but as long as they do that under the counter, they don't want to affect the price. When they dump on the market a lot of Bitcoin, that is when we can know that yes, it is worth for them to, let's say, F up the price of Bitcoin because they took some major profits. I don't think they are there yet, because they didn't start to buy when Bitcoin was around 3,000. I'm talking about the latest institutional investors. They started to buy at around 30, 35, 40,000, and it can happen, and I think that's a very possible scenario, that they are waiting for the 70, 75, 100,000, and they have money, they can wait. They did not invest money which they need in the next couple of months or years, and I hope you didn't either. Now let's go forward and check Elrond. Elrond is at the 200, it is battling the $200, and as you can see, I highlighted here a purple area. That is where I think that Elrond will go if Bitcoin, let's say, loses the 40K and goes down to the 30. That is the $150 range. And the reason I think $150 is a pretty strong area is because we touched that many times. Many people bought there, sold there, and I think that the 150 will hold it and will hold us. In the meantime, what we can do, we could trade between Elrond and the Max. Now these two pairs are pretty much the same. They are moving the same, let's say. And what you can do if you want to earn more in the farms, you could sell some Elrond for Max if you do believe that Max will not drop more than Elrond in percentage, and you can put it in the farms and earn some bigger rewards. That's also an option. Obviously, it is something to think about. Now we don't know how Max will behave at a major drop, but right now, as it is now, it didn't went down as many of the small cap altcoins. It is struggling, but it is struggling together with Elrond and all the other coins. If we check the crypto fear and greed index, as you can see, we are higher than yesterday. And since yesterday we had a drop. Now this is very controversial, but the simple explanation for this is that people started to get used to it. People started to get used to the new Bitcoin price, to the new market sentiment, to the new market situation. Therefore, they are just, yeah, I'm just waiting for it to go down a bit more and maybe I will buy some. As I said yesterday, people need to get used to the price, and it's like a fresh start. And as long or as soon as people start to buy again, the price will go up. So that's why I'm not really worried, and that's why I feel comfortable buying whatever I want, because yes, it might happen that we will go a bit lower, but I don't think that there will be a major capitulation. And adding to this, it could happen. So it's not like impossible, but I hope it won't happen, and I hope that we won't touch the 30k. I think the 40k will hold the price. Let's see what happens. Okay, moving forward, Next Earth. So as you know, I bought some lands on Next Earth. Now don't think that it's a big amount of money. I invested in a total of $200. It's like I tried to buy with the change. Let's say when you have in your pocket some paper money and you have some change and you just want to get rid of it and buy some chewing gums or something with it. So that's how I purchased these lands whenever I had some BNB on my MetaMask and now Matic, because they switched to Matic. Then I just purchased some land. If somebody doesn't know, you can go on to the map, you just, I don't know, zoom out, zoom in, you wait for the grid to appear, because you are buying land based on tiles, as you can see, and you just, yeah, select the tiles you want to buy. It will tell you that it's $1 per tile and you selected for 93. Then you need to connect your MetaMask to it or your Trust wallet. With the Polygon chain, you obviously need to have some Matic, at least as much as the current market value for the selected tiles, and you can buy some lands. So I bought some lands, I don't know, in the last two months, and I was thinking that I will show you which type of lands I bought and how their price developed. Because as you can see, I bought some airports, I bought some beaches. I mean, I bought a beach on Bahamas. I actually have 3 airports here. And I bought entrances to ports, because I said that, okay, if we are gonna go forward with this metaverse stuff, then probably there will be a meta war as well, and I want airports and I want ports and beaches, just to make sure that my lands are strategically placed. Now, as you can see, the port entrances are in Brest, France, and in Portugal. And if I go there, you can see that 0% is the increase in value. In Portugal, the situation is the same. However, if I go to the Hungary military airbase, the increase in value is 518%, which is quite good. Quite good. It doesn't mean that I can sell. Somebody needs to buy it if I want to sell it. I could put it on the marketplace, but since I just invested some change money or ice cream money, I don't really, I don't really have intentions to sell it. Also, I bought some parts in Kabul airport. As you can see, these green tiles, those are mine. It went up 58%, and I think the best one so far was the area 51, that went up 89%, 890%. Now this is not from my purchase price, because I just purchased it some time ago. This is from the last, I don't know, 1 month or something like that. But as you can see, people are interested in conspiracy theories as well. And yeah, it's very funny to see. It's very funny for me. The Bahamas beach went up 27%. I don't know. It's not too much, but it's still 30%, right? So if you want to buy virtual land, you need to think pretty hard what kind of land you want to buy, where you want to invest, because based on what they will be used for, or what game or virtual reality it's gonna be used for, the price can go up and down based on that. So I'm gonna continue to buy you know, not investing too much, just buy some lands on random places, maybe some other airports, maybe some other beach. It's more like a game for me, to be honest. I'm not taking this too seriously. Obviously, if you want to get a look around, I left a link of their Discord server in the description. Go and click on it. Just go and ask around. I don't know, check what are the benefits and decide for yourself whether you want to buy or not. Now, next one, Crypto Memories NFT. So this team is a Hungarian team, and I know them by having worked with them. I worked with them not in crypto. I worked with I worked very close with one of the founder, and that's why I am happy to recommend them, because I know that they are not planning rug pulls and they are not you know, with questionable credibility. So the project is about creating crypto memories, and they will create an NFT whenever Bitcoin will reach a new all-time high. The NFTs are already in the works. They will also have some retro NFTs. And this is not a screenshot about the price, obviously. This will be an NFT, a digitalized art, which captures maybe the news about Bitcoin and crypto ecosystem when it hits the all-time high, probably also about the bear market. The supply obviously will be limited. Therefore, if you want to invest in the future, to be in the first, between the first, then this is a good opportunity to go and look around to see what they are doing and what is happening on their Discord server. Everything will go on the Solana network. Obviously, I would be happier to see them on the Elrond network, but in Hungary, as I can see, nobody or just a few people know about Elrond. I looked around some of the groups and some of the Discord servers. Nevertheless, Solana is also good if you don't consider that in the last 1 or 2 weeks it had like two downtimes. We hope that they will improve that. Solana is still very, very popular, and many people and many projects are using it, so I don't really have any worries about that. So I left another link in the description for this as well. Go and check them out, check whether this is something you would like in the future or not. As you can see, they are very, very much in the beginning. They have only 91 followers on Twitter, but I'm sure that with a new market move, with a new all-time high, with the first release, the popularity will increase. And since this is an NFT, they will have some unique NFTs which you can own, you can mint. Therefore, on the long term, it can be very much profitable. I'm sure that I will mint some NFTs with them. So this is all I wanted to talk about today. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you liked the content. If you did, smash the like button and press the subscribe button, because you help me a lot with it. And yeah, I think I see you tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow we will have a live just to discuss what is happening on the market and where we should invest or maybe pull out our money. Let's see. Take care.